What's the matter?
I'm real upset about what you wrote.
My script?
It's obviously based on Elliot and me.
Oh, so loosely.
No, not oh so loosely, real specifically. Is that how you see us?
Well?
Can I not accept gestures or feelings from people? Do I put people off?
It's a made-up story.
No, it's real exact. The situations, the dialogue, everything is based on intimate details between Elliot and me, which I don't know how you could possibly even know about. A conversation we once had about adoption?
Well, Lee mentioned that to me, so obviously you discussed it with her.
Well, I don't even know how Lee could know about these things. I don't tell her everything.
Wow, I guess I hit a nerve.
You make it sound like I have no needs or something. You think I'm too self-sufficient.
You know that's not what I meant. Yeah, sure. You do so much for everyone. You're so giving. It's not a criticism. We're grateful.
Yeah, you're grateful, but you resent me.
Wow. I don't want to be a part of this conversation because I didn't do anything wrong. You mentioned to me yourself that you and Elliot were having problems.
Yeah, we're having some problems, but problems that are none of your business. And I don't know how you can know about them in such detail. And how does Lee even know about these things? How? They're private.